So I need the subject with details. So what I will do, I will generate the CT. So my output should be like which one for English, who is the highest? For mathematics, 50-50. So I need the output like this. For mathematics, this guy. For science, again this guy only. For English, I think this guy. For English, this guy. So I need the output like this. For in class, like in mathematics, this guy is highest. And science, same this guy is highest. For English, this guy is the highest marks. I need the output like this. So what I will do, I will create the CT. I will create the CT as select star comma dense rank over partition by subject wise, right? Partition by subject wise highest guys I will write. So partition by subject, order by marks, that to descending order, highest to so DK from our table name exam results. Select star from CTE. Let's see how it will. So this guy is highest in this subject. Mathematics, this one is highest. Science, this one is highest. See my output. Mathematics 65. See mathematics 65. This is one only. Science 80. Where is science 80? This is one only. English 90. English 90. This is one only. So when I keep here like where dk equal to 1, see output Lily Max 65. This is 65. Lily Science 80. Lily Science 80. English 90. English 90. So I got my output right. Did you understand the concept? So how I generate the dense rank? I will
Yes, sir.
partition by the subject wise. Subject wise, this is the partition. My partition is this one, order by this one. So in this partition, I got the dense rank 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So if in case, for example, in English, this guy also has the same number of marks. In that time, example, I will let you know the example. Set marks equal to 90, where student equal to this guy. This is student name, and that too specifically we mention the subject as well. Subject equal to English. As of now, this is the data like 1, 2, 3. So this has 9. This is the highest marks. But what I am doing is I am updating this one also 90. In that time, which student has came? See, this two has the first mark. So when I run this one, see, in English, two guys have the same number of marks. So these two are the first guys. So that is the reason it came up 2. If you apply rank function, if you apply rank function, this one, let's generate this. See, for English, this guy, this one. Second highest will not come here. But if you apply dense rank, then only you will get the second highest. If I want second highest details, if I need second highest details, if I need second highest details, if I apply dense rank, if I need second highest marks details, so these guys will come. These are the second highest details. Toppers we already listed out. This is second highest details. If you apply rank, it does not follow sequence, right? That is the reason it does not give the second highest. See, it missed the English. Why? Because English there is no second highest. Usually the 70 is second highest, right? In general. After 90, 70 is second highest. But rank does not follow the sequence. That is the reason we missed the second highest. It directly gives the 3. So that is the reason, based on our scenario, we can use whether we need to use dense rank, whether we need to use rank, whether we need to use row number. Mostly we use like row number and dense rank. Rank very rarely we use. Why? Because it does not follow sequence, right? For any duplicates removal, any fetching the highest salaries or second highest, third highest salary, we can use the row number and dense rank mostly, not the rank. Is it clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So practice this
So
rank functions today, and tomorrow I will explain the removal of duplicates as well, right? Duplicate removal also I explained how we can use the ranking functions in CT. I explained, and one more thing I will explain today, how we can generate the numbers like 1 to 100. I will show you. That is recursive CT. One as number union all, select number less 1 from CT where number less than equal to 100. Select star from CT. So my question is, I need to print the 100 numbers. I need to print the 100 numbers. By using this code, we can print. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100. Up to 100, it is printed. How it is printed? The logic is here. With the CTE as in brackets, select star from. This is common. This is the actual logic. How it is the actual logic? This is nothing but a recursive CTE. This is recursive CTE. I will tell you the mechanism, how it will work. So select one as number. So this will print only one. See, I will show you here. This print one, right? So union all will do the combine the two result sets. Correct? So initially what it will do, select one as number. Select one as number. So this number is inserted into this temp table. CT also nothing but a temp table only. So select one as number. This is the one number is printed. This is inserted into this temp table. So in CTE, we have already, if you run like a select star from CTE, I will comment at this. I run this one. It is printed. In CTE, already one is inserted. With the CTE is in brackets, select one as number. CTE. This value is inserted into CTE. So when I write select star from CTE, one is already available in CTE. Correct? So I will combine the result set. So by using the union all, in already CTE we have one is there, right? Agree? Select num from CTE means already one is there. So I will increment this one. Select a num plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 it is. Here already 1 is printed. Below I can join the CTE. I will combine the result set. So select number means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Initially it will print 1. Here it will print 2. So this is recursive CTE. So in where class here 1 is there, 2 is there. That is less than equal to 100. So in recursive, based on the one, like initially 1 is there. So 1 come here, 1 plus 1, 2. Again 2 come here, 2 plus 1, 3. Again 3 come here, 3 plus 1, 4. Again 4 will come, 4 plus 1, 5. until the number is less than 100. If the number is 100, it will print only 100. If it is 101, 101 is not less than 100, right? It will not print. So up to 100 only it will print like this. If you give here only 10, it will print up to 10. See? If you give here 5, it will print up to 5. Hmm? If you give like 1000, it will print 1000. No, not 1000. There is some limitation in recursive. So that is the reason it will not printed. Maybe it will print up to 255, I think. 256. 250.
100
200.
only.
150.
Sir, it's showing 100 only there.
In Google.
No, in the correction below the
Maximum
window.
recursion 100 has been exhausted. See 101. If it is 100, why it is show 101? 102. Now it is exhausted. So mostly 101 it is allowing. Correct? So 1 to 101 is printing. Correct?
Because one is already there in CTE, right?
We concatenated. We appended this one. That is the reason. Union means we combine the two result sets. This is one result set. Here it will throws 100. This is like 101. That is the reason. Clear this one? This is recursive CTE. Based on the first result set, second query will execute. Okay? So practice these two. Now tell me your questions.